Can you really use this three-step method to earn over $900 every single day? Now that's what this video claims on YouTube. I wanted to go and test it out and find out whether you could actually earn by using this three-step method. This is without showing your face, without creating any videos, and without posting on social media. So if you're looking for ways to actually make money online or even build and scale into a full-time income, then make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. I'm revealing the three-step method, and I'm also going to be filling in some more details that you're going to want to know before you actually try this method. Yeah, hi, I'm Martin from martinburt.online, and I make YouTube videos all about making money online, so that you can actually make money too. So if this is something that interests you, make sure you obviously subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you will get notified every time I make a new video. So without further ado, let's jump across and we're going to go and investigate these three steps. And like I say, there is more information I'm going to give you at the end of the video. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. So let's jump straight into this video. And like I say, we're going to go into step one. And this is when you're going to actually find and choose a product that you want to actually start promoting. Now in the video, he goes through a site called Warrior Plus, and we're going to show you exactly inside Warrior Plus very shortly. But also there are many other sites that you could do this in. Things like ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore24, to name just a few. Now obviously joining Warrior Plus is totally free to sign up to. So you just come to the warriorplus.com and then click on the free sign up here, log in some details, and then you are able to go through and look for offers. So let's dive into the back of Warrior Plus. The easiest way to go and find different products is you come into the marketplace, you can press home, you can press categories, and if you press categories, this is what comes up. Now we obviously want products about making money online, purely and simply because they are the most popular and the best ones that are going to work with this particular method. But also you might want to look at top product, because this is going to be the top products that are performing on Warrior Plus at the moment. And you need something that is obviously going to be very relevant, up to date, and also converting at the moment. So you need to have a good product. So we've come into affiliate offers here, and we put in the title, the breakout code. Now the breakout code is one of the products that he says to actually use in this method. Now this obviously video was shot a few months ago, so this might not be relevant so much now, but I'm going to show you through how he chooses the product and how he finds out whether it is a good product or not. It says here what the release date was, how many sales they've made, the conversion rate, visitor value, average sale, and average refund. If we click on the breakout code here, as you can see, this tells you a little bit about the vendor. If we then hit the products tab here, the product code itself, commission of 100%. In other words, on the front end of the product, you're going to earn the whole $12.95 per sale. So if you get a sale, you are going to actually earn the whole of this. Now this is a good product because this has got many products within the actual product itself. It's got lots of upsells, downsells, etc. that are going to be offered when people actually buy one thing. So this means obviously more commissions for you. Make sure that they've got at least a couple more that will be offered on the back end that you can actually earn commissions on. Commission rate is 50%. Now, which is pretty good and pretty normal, so that's fine. So if you were to sell this product, a done for you package, $197, you will get a one-time commission of $98.50. Now you've also got your sales page here, so you can go and click on that, and which will take you through to the actual sales page for the product. Now it looks like obviously this product is probably not really being run now. It looks as if the owner of the product has not updated their click funnels, which means obviously you can't really read the page. So we're going to just choose a different one and show you exactly what they've gone through, but with a different product. Now I've gone through a different product here, and I've found this product, get paid to pick the top Amazon products. Okay, so this is obviously relevant. It's there, it's on there now, and it's using obviously ChatGPT as well. So that's all really good relevant stuff that is bang up to date. Okay, so once you've done this, we now need to go on to step 2. And what we now need to do, we need to actually build what we call a landing page. And so we can capture people's details and then send them to this page thereafter. So again, in the video, there's a couple of products that he recommends. He recommends Get Response, and he actually shows you in Get Response how to do it. But he also tells you another one called Aweber. But we're going to be obviously using my Aweber account and show you exactly how you can actually start to use Aweber and build your landing page for free. Follow the link in the description, head over to aweber.com, and it says here, get Aweber free. So let's jump into the back of Aweber and show you exactly what you've got to do. Okay, so this is my account here. Now the first thing we want to do is which he doesn't actually mention, is you have to create a list. Okay, now I've created a list here called test list. And if you want to know how to create a list and how to set up Aweber from start to finish, I'll put a link to a full tutorial about Aweber that I've done on my YouTube channel. So make sure you check that out. And I'll also put a link to it at the end of this video as well if you miss it. So stay tuned, watch this right the way through. And then when you want to go and do it, check video and it walks you through exactly how to go and do everything. But once you've got your list there, you want to come to pages and forms and you want to click on landing pages, and then you want to come across here and click on create a landing page. Now you can obviously choose from any of these templates you want. Now what it tells you to go and do now is literally take this similar to what you've got here, okay, and then add that to a landing page. Obviously, I've done one earlier, and as you can see here, that's what it looks very, very similar to the actual website. But instead of obviously the video, what we've got an opt-in form where people can then sign up to get the information that you want. Once they signed up, they will be taken to this page. They then hopefully will buy the product. You obviously have started to build your email list, and at the same time, you could have earned commissions. So this means that the owner of the product then will carry on emailing out. And what you've got to do, obviously, you've got that contact now in your email list, and then you can do exactly the same. Now, the final step that he says to do is you now need to get traffic to it. And he states that obviously he's looking at using solo ads to actually go and drive traffic to this offer. Now, the best site he does mention one other site, but he actually says in the end that this is the better site to go and visit, and that is called Udemy. Now, again, this is a free to join site, so you can just come on to udemy.com and then click into the sign up box here and then go and get your account. Once you've got your account, you can actually log in. And this is what you'll see on the home page here. This will be a list of sellers that are out there, and this will tell you what niche the sellers are actually, what the list is. So make money online, biz ops, and CPAs. So this is the sort of one we're looking to actually buy. So you do want the right traffic to fit your right offer, and that's why we say choose the make money online products, because it's very easy to do. So this is Gabe here. So if you want to click on him, doing solo ads for 49 cents a click. So if you click on his profile here, what you do need to know is whether the traffic is tier 1, because you only really want tier 1 traffic. If we scroll down here, and if you actually want to buy any, you just click on buy solo ads. You can move this to whatever you want to buy. So if you wanted 1,000 clicks, this is going to cost you $493. So it's $490 plus a $3 fee. Now, if you want top tier only, and as you can see here, it's USA, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. That's going to cost you more money. So this is one of the things he doesn't actually tell you. So to get the top tier, it's worth paying the extra 5 cents. Now, again, there is some information about the solo ads that I want to obviously put across, and that is that obviously you're not going to possibly get the results that he is showing by just ordering 100, 200, or 500 clicks. You're going to have to order quite a few clicks before you start seeing results. You might only get, even though you might get a 30 to 40% maybe opt-in rate, some of those probably only 1 or 2% are going to buy. 10 sales at the $12.99. That's only $130, and you're obviously spending $500. Now, don't worry too much. This does work and it can scale up, but this is what you've got to do. And this is what he doesn't really tell you. Though he says you've got to build up your business, this is what you've got to do. You've got to put some money in and build it up slowly. If you can build it up, and then once you start building up, you can obviously email these people more offers as well. That's why you want your email address. That's what you want your email account set up for, so that you can then go and continue to email people. Now, the other thing is, if you start getting 40% clicks, 40% opt-in rate for 1,000, that's 400 people on your email list from your first lot. So within a few days, if you spent $500 and started and get 1,000 clicks, you could have 400 people on your email list, 400 to 500 people on your email list within a few days, which is great. Okay. But the other thing he doesn't tell you, obviously, once you start to build your email list and you get over 500 people on your email list, then Aweber goes from a free account, you then have to start paying. Okay. So you've got to incorporate. Now, that's only a few dollars every month, so it's well worth doing. But you've just got to remember that as well. So it's another bit of information that you're going to need before you actually go and do this. Now, what I'll also do, I'll also give you a link in the description here of where you can actually go and buy some really decent solo ads from a guy called Wayne Crow that I know is in England. I've used his solo ads before, and he's a guy I would definitely recommend to go and try out his actual solo ads. But what I would say is, whenever you're trying solo ads, I would then, just to make sure they are good enough, is do 100 to 200 clicks just to test it out before you go and buy a lot. Okay, so that again is a great bit of information, especially if you're just starting out. Now, you could go and try 4 or 5 different people and do a couple of hundred clicks from each, and you might find that the traffic from one is really good and the traffic from the others is not so good. So then obviously you can concentrate on the one that's getting the better results. It's all about testing, tweaking, and testing and tweaking as you go. And then eventually your email list will grow. You can continue to give people offers on your email list. You can email them offers, and this is when they're more likely to actually buy, is when they've been on your list a while, you're giving them some really good value, and then they will possibly buy. Okay, so they may not buy, like I say, you might only get 1 or 2% that buy initially, but you've still got that 40% that are in your email list, and that is the email list that could still get you a lot of money. And yes, you can build this up, and you could be easily getting $800-900 a day if you build this up, but it's not going to be overnight. It's going to take you a few years to get to that. So like I say, here are the 3 steps again. So first of all, we've got to find a product. Now, we could use, like we have here, Warrior Plus, and there are various other sites out there as well that you could use. Then what you want to do is go and grab your free Aweber account, or GetResponse. You can do either, and then you can start building your landing page, which you want to replicate the landing page on the actual offer that you are actually offering. And then obviously you need to drive some traffic. Now, you could also use free traffic, but this is the quickest way that you can actually drive traffic to offers like this. And solo ads are proven to work, but like I say, the results can vary. So testing and tweaking is definitely what you've got to go and do. Trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.